In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the formatting of dates in Gmail. If you've ever looked at your inbox and wondered why dates show up as month first or day first, this quick walkthrough will help you switch to the format you prefer. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. This process works best on a computer, where you have access to Gmail's full settings. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. That opens the Quick Settings panel. From there, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where we need to be. Near the top of the General tab, find the Language section. Here's the key idea. Gmail doesn't have a separate date format toggle. Instead, it uses your display language to decide how dates appear. So by changing the Gmail display language, you're effectively changing the date format throughout your inbox and conversation view. Open the Gmail display language drop-down menu. If you want the day, month, year format, for example 10/04/2026 for the 10th of April, choose English, UK. If you prefer the month, day, year format, such as 04/10/2026 for April 10th, choose English, US. You can scroll through the list or start typing to quickly find the option you need. Take a moment to pick the one that matches how you naturally read dates, especially if you collaborate with teams in different regions and want to avoid confusion. After selecting your preferred display language, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail may refresh automatically, or it might briefly reload your inbox. Once it's back, glance at a few emails in your inbox and inside a conversation to confirm the dates now appear in the format you chose. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. If you're on a small screen and don't immediately see All Settings after clicking the gear, expand the Quick Settings panel and look for the link there. If the date format doesn't appear to change right away, give the page a moment or refresh your browser tab. Also, note that on the Gmail mobile app, date formatting typically follows your phone's regional settings, so it may look different from what you set on desktop. Finally, if you use a work or school account and can't change the display language, your administrator may have locked that setting. That's it. Your Gmail dates should now match your preferred format. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.